Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a JBL Flip Essential and you need to do a hard reset on it. This is especially useful if the speaker will not connect to Bluetooth or will not connect to a device or it's not making sound. A hard reset like this will fix a lot of those issues. You will need to repair the speaker with whatever device you are using because the hard reset will return it to the factory default settings and it won't remember any of the devices that it was connected to. But if you would like to proceed with this, it's very easy to do. All we need to do is, first of all, make sure that our speaker is turned on, which will be indicated with the light on the power button. And then we're just going to come in and we're going to press and hold the volume up button and the play button simultaneously. We're just going to press and hold them. And it takes about 5 to 10 seconds. You'll just continue to hold them until the speaker turns off. Once the speaker turns off, you can let go of the volume up and the play buttons. And then you can turn your speaker back on, and the speaker will turn on like a brand new speaker. So you will see if you have any device, it will attempt to pair as a new device to that speaker, to that phone or whatever.